Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, we're going to be installing nut plates so that we can use screws to secure the upper and lower engine cowlings to each other on the SONEX aircraft that I'm building. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and thanks for watching. I drilled the pilot holes and clecoed the top cowling to the bottom cowling. So that marks all of the locations for the nut plates that it will go to secure the cowlings together, including over the top. So the next step is to install the nut plates. Next, we're going to up drill the holes in the cowling so that screws will fit for the nut plates. So we'll do that next. Next, we need to drill the holes for the rivets on the nut plates. And the nut plate is going to go on the inside of the cowling, but I'm going to place it on the outside temporarily just to mark the holes for the rivets. Okay, that's the location of the nut plate. Go ahead and drill the first rivet hole. And place a cleco in there so it doesn't move on us. And drill the second rivet hole. Okay. Move on to the next one. We're going to countersink the rivet holes so that the rivets fit nice and flush. Okay, let's see if these fit in nice and flush. Yeah, it looks good. So, let's go ahead. Put a screw in the nut plate to hold it centered. Okay, go ahead and squeeze the rivet. Second rivet. And squeeze it. And we're going to do all the rest the same. Now we have the nut plates installed on the cowling. So that will allow us to attach the top cowling to the bottom cowling. So we'll show you what that looks like with the cowling installed in just a moment. We now have the upper cowling attached to the lower cowling with screws through the nut plates that we just installed. And that's what it looks like. And there's a screw inside on the nose bowl there on both sides. And all the way on the sides there. We have the top cowl vents installed. And we still have a side vent on the lower cowl. On each side of the lower cowling there's going to be a side vent also that we'll be installing. And that's going to be coming up shortly on one of the next videos. So we're making good progress, and thanks for watching.